Welcome to October. As one will say, Happy New Month. It's the 1st of October. In my country, Nigeria, it is our Independence Day, our National Day. And across most West African and Sub-Saharan African countries, October is significant as most countries fought for and got their independence, be it the Anglophone countries or the Francophone countries. And it's no surprise that October is Black History Month, where we mostly those of African and Caribbean ancestry in the diaspora celebrate everything that has to do with Black history, even though I believe Black history is every day. I don't believe in a particular day or a particular month. So today being Nigeria's independence, I am reflecting on how independent we are. There really isn't much celebration as it is right now. We don't have electricity. We did have electricity in the early hours of the morning, but we haven't got any. And I'm outside because it is swelteringly hot. I've had to go for a walk, walk our dog Marshall, and come back, and it is hot. So like I said, I'm reflecting on our national anthem, and I'm also reflecting on this piece of work I've been doing ever since I came back to Nigeria. Green, white, green are the national colors of Nigeria. So green and white. Green signifying the vegetation, fertility of our soil, and white to signify peace and unity. So the national anthem, Nigeria's national anthem, a very beautiful piece, poignant piece, and a reflective piece, was adopted in 1978 after we put aside the Nigeria we hail thee. And I think we should be singing this anthem more. It's maybe a bit sad that after primary school, secondary school, we don't sing it anymore unless there were official events, maybe in public gatherings, official events, and we sing the national anthem. So this national anthem, interestingly, I thought it was actually one person who created the lyrics, but it was created by 5 people, according to Wikipedia. P.O. Aderibige, John A. Ilechukwu, Dr. Sota Omoigui, M. Tim Akpan, and B.A. Ogunaike. And this anthem has 2 verses. I want us to reflect on the words of this anthem. I'm going to talk about it in English and in Igbo, which is my language, because like I wrote in one of the pieces of my story, it's not the geographical space called Nigeria that needs to be independent or free. It's our individual selves that need to be independent and free to love one another as Nigerians, regardless of tribe, regardless of creed, religion, which is a very difficult thing because we are a multi-ethnic and multi-tribal country. So, interestingly, the Nigerian national anthem does not speak to any particular tribe. It speaks to us as individuals. Arise, O compatriots. Ndi Nigeria, kunye. Nigeria's call, obey. Nigeria po unaza. To serve our fatherland. Mara Nigeria Odibo. With love and strength and faith. Ijiri hunanya. Ijiri kanyi. Ijiri okwukwe. The labors of our heroes past, ndị nne na ndị nna anyị ha gara aga, ọrụ ha aga ala n'iyi, that shall never be in vain, to serve with heart and might, ijiri obi anyị na ike anyị niile ịgbara Nigeria, ijere Nigeria ozi, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Are we free? Are we at peace? Are we united? Questions to answer. Verse 2. O God of creation, Chukwu kere ụwa niile, direct our noble course. Duo anyị na ọrụ na njem anyị na-eje. Guide thou our leaders right. Biko duo ndị nọ n'isi oche. Guide our leaders right. Help our youths the truth to know. Nyere ndị okorobịa na ndị agbọghọ aka ịmara eziokwu. In love and honesty to grow. N'ịhụnanya na aka ịkwụ ọtọ ị na-etolite. And living just and true. Ya bụkwa aka ịkwụ ọtọ, just and true. Great lofty heights attain. Ka anyị na-enwete ihe ahụ anyị ji wee jewe ọrụ, ka anyị na-enwete ihe ahụ anyị na-achọ. To build a nation where peace and justice reign. Ịrụ obodo ebe udo na what's justice in Igbo now? Justice will aka ịkwụ ọtọ reign. So some words that stand out to me. Arise, O compatriots. Can we arise when we've not eaten and people have not got jobs and people have not been paid? Ndị mmadụ ha ga-ekunite ebe ha na-eribe nri, ebe ha na-akwụbe ndị mmadụ ụgwọ, ebe ndị mmadụ enwe ọrụ. Nigeria's call obey. Ọwa oku niile ka anyị ga-aza. Ị ga-aza oku ndị hụrụ gị n'anya. Can we obey a call when we've not been shown love or shown that we are valued in our country? With love, to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. Love, strength, and faith. These are words that we should ponder on. I think it all starts from ourselves, loving ourselves. And when I say ourselves, you love yourself first. Because you can only love another person when you've loved yourself. To build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. This verse 2 that says, guide our leaders right. Can our leaders be guided right when they don't even know the right thing, when they are not even guided themselves? And help our youth the truth to know. What is the truth? So it involves our leaders, the elders, and the youths coming together. But then it starts from us to reflect on this anthem. Have a reflective October 1st.